Hey everyone, just checking in to explain how to get this headrest off. It took me honestly a little bit to figure this out. I'm trying to put this car seat on. I finally got the headrest off, so I finally slid it on. But the main thing is there's a latch on the left, which is normally what you press to go up and down with, but there's a latch on your right, and there's a little indentation right there. That's the latch that holds it on the right hand side. So to get a little better look at it, that little spot right there is what holds it in on that side. Now there's a little spot here on that so looking at it from this angle, you can see it a little bit better. On this side there's like a little latch there, and that's what holds it on this side. Now this of course is the regular side, and this is the side that you can't see any type of button or anything for, and it's right here. And now I have a flathead screwdriver, a really skinny one that I was putting in there. They were like, just press it in and it'll go over to the side, and that way you can pull it up. Well, I pushed and pushed and it doesn't go anywhere. I'm pushing right now and it's not going anywhere. But if I press, or if I lift up a little bit and go over that little ridge and press, it'll actually go back and forth like that. I don't know if you can see that. So that's what unhooks the actual headrest from the seat, so you can pull it out and put your car seats on. Just wanted to go over that real quick. All right.